Jeez, babe, it's just my whānau. Relax. You know everything you need to know.
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, you do.
Our tikanga is alive. It guides us every day in everything that we do.
Hey, Mum, look who's back.
Oh, that's the real one of bread. Kia ora, sweetheart. Come on, mate, come in.
Hey, remember shoes?
Oh, right.
Through tikanga, we learn.
We've heard so much about you.
With tikanga, we are connected through knowledge and practice. These connections are much bigger than us. They span across time, across boundaries.
It's a bit overwhelming.
Yeah, just a bit.
Don't worry, you're doing great.
It's great to finally meet the whole whānau.
And it's great to meet you. Come on, let's eat.
Kei roi tātou. E hamia mai ki runga, hamia mai ki raro, hamia mai ki roto, hamia mai ki waho, hamie, hui e, tai ki e. Tikanga is everywhere, in everything that we do. Tātou, tātou. Together we grow. Me haere tātou.